December's full cold moon rises on Saturday, December 18, 2021. December is the month when winter truly begins in most of the northern hemisphere. Most of the ancient full moon names are related to the low temperatures and darkness of December. The most common name is the cold moon, while another name is the long night moon. So December's cold moon reaches peak illumination on Saturday, December 18, 2021 at 11:37 p.m. EST. You can start looking for the full moon just before sunset as it begins to peak above the horizon. So this December's cold moon is most distinctive for its high trajectory across the sky, which results in the full moon sitting above the horizon for a longer duration. December's full moon is most commonly known as the cold moon, a Mohawk name that conveys the frigid conditions of this time of the year, when cold weather truly begins to grip us. Historically, all the full moons have names linked to the season or particular events. The Old Farmer's Almanac says the cold moon gets its name as this is the time when the winter cold fastens its grip and the nights become long and dark. So let us now look at certain alternative December moon names. So other names that allude to the cold and snow include Drift Clearing Moon, Frost Exploding Trees Moon, Moon of the Popping Trees, Snow Moon, and Winter Maker Moon. This full moon has also been called the Long Night Moon, as it rises during the longest nights of the year. This name is doubly fitting because December's full moon shines above the horizon for a longer period of time than most full moons. It also has a couple of other names such as Moon When the Deer Shed Their Antlers and Little Spirit Moon. In Europe, the December's full moon is also called the moon before Yule, in honor of the Yuletide festival celebrating the return of the sun heralded by winter solstice. So don't forget to mark the date and time and don't miss out on witnessing this beautiful last full moon of this year.